Hi, it's Dana Kerigan with Kerigan Marketing, and welcome to this week's Tuesday's Digital Tips and Tricks. Now, did you know that adding an action button into your Facebook business page makes it easier for your customers to interact with your business? Well, it does, and we're going to show you how to add that in, so just stay tuned. Do you ever wish people visiting your Facebook page actually turned into customers? Sure, we all do. We will be showing you how to add a call to action button right at the top of your Facebook page. This makes it much easier for customers to purchase your product, book an appointment, or connect with you directly. If you do not already have an action button, click the blue icon that says Add a Button. Next, which action would benefit your customers and your business the most? Let's decide what that would look like. If you want customers to schedule an appointment, choose the Book With You option. If you're an e-commerce store, the Shop With You is the best choice. Almost every business can use the Contact You option, so we'll walk you through that one today. We want customers to contact us through our website, so we will put that link here. After you've filled in the information, click Save. Now it's easy for your customers to quickly complete the action you want them to. We hope you found this helpful, and stay tuned for next week's Tuesday's Digital Tips and Tricks.